Hi boys and girls. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to plant your grass seeds that we sent home to you. You should have a baggie that looks something like this, and it has some grass seeds. And you should also have another baggie that has your soil. They should be in your Play-Doh container. So grab those out and we can start. You should also have this stick that has some lines that we're going to be using to measure. So first, I want you to grab your Play-Doh thing. Make sure there's not big chunks of Play-Doh in there, and if there is, you can go ahead and rinse that out. So first, I want you to take some of your soil, and you're going to make sure there's no big clumps, and then you're going to put some in your Play-Doh container. It may be a little messy, so you want to do it somewhere where it's okay to make a little bit of a mess. Okay, so you want to put about 3/4 of your soil in. So you should have it looking like this. And once you do that, I want you to get some of your seeds. You're gonna pinch some out, and you're going to spread them around in your container. You could do a couple pinches. Just like that. And after you put your seeds into your container, you're going to take the rest of your soil and you're just gonna put it in, and you're going to carefully just mix it around just like that. And after that, you want to get a little bit of water, just enough to make your soil damp. We don't want too much water, otherwise the seeds won't grow. So you just want to do a little bit, just enough for it to be damp and get down to the seeds and help the seeds grow. I think we'll add a little bit more. Let's bring it a little bit closer. I think that's enough for mine. And once I do that, I'm going to want to put this back down where I can work with it. And now we're going to make our observation. We're going to put our stick in. We don't want to push it all the way in, just have it so that that first line is under the soil. So here's my stick, and that very bottom line I want to be covered. And you can push your soil up against it to help. So now I want to make a prediction. I will predict that my grass will reach this line once it's grown. Let's count how many lines that would be. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I predicted that my grass will grow 5 lines. So on the worksheet you have that says, I predict my grass will grow, I would write 5 lines. So I want you to predict how tall your grass will grow and use the lines for your measurement. So if you think your grass is gonna grow all the way up to here, I want you to count all these lines and write it's gonna grow that tall. And then once you make your prediction, I want you to put this in a window that gets a lot of sun. Don't put it outside, put it in a window that gets a lot of sun, and you can check on it every day and make observations in your journals and talk about if you see any sprouts happening. Make all types of observations that you see. I'll check back in a week or so when my grass has grown and show you my final measurement. Have fun planting your seeds, boys and girls. Remember to use your bar graph that came along with all this to keep track of how much your grass is growing every couple days. you're going to use the bar graph by counting how many lines your grass is reaching, and you're going to color in that many boxes. We've done lots of bar graphs in class, so you guys know how to do it.